Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Sneezing when looking at the sun is known as the photic sneeze reflex. It's a genetic trait affecting approximately 18 to 35% of people. This happens because the trigeminal nerve, responsible for facial sensations, gets crossed signals from the optic nerve when suddenly exposed to bright light. This results in a sneeze as a reflex response.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.